Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to connect Instagram to Discord profile. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Here's how you can set it up. Firstly, ensure that Discord and Instagram are installed on your device. Next, open Discord and make sure you are logged in. Tap on your profile icon, located at the bottom right corner. Then navigate to your profile. Click on the gear icon, situated at the top right corner. Choose Connections, and then click on Add. Scroll down to locate Instagram, and once found, go ahead and select it. Proceed to log in with your Instagram credentials. And that's how to connect Instagram to a Discord profile. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.